Lesson 2.2: Site Architecture and Internal Linking Systems. Site architecture is the silent engine driving sustainable SEO. It determines how search authority or link equity is routed throughout an organization's digital assets, dictating which pages thrive and which wither, even before a word of content is published or a single backlink is earned. In enterprise environments, the gulf between high and low-performing websites is often rooted in architecture. Poorly designed structures create dead ends, isolating valuable pages and wasting capital. A deliberate, optimized architecture acts as a circulatory system, ensuring that even pages embedded deep in the site tree receive the authority needed to compete in search results. The first architectural consideration is hierarchy design, flat versus deep. The objective is minimizing crawl depth. One principle reigns supreme: keep each mission-critical page no more than 3 or 4 clicks from the homepage. Deep structures, where important content resides 8 or 10 layers from the entry point, leave those assets starved of both crawlers and equity. Enterprise solutions avoid both overwhelming navigation menus and excessive crawl depth by leveraging HTML sitemaps and category hubs, which form lateral, not just vertical, connections. These create horizontal bridges, offering both algorithms and users efficient pathways to important clusters of content without navigational overload. Next is the modeling of internal link equity. While logical navigation is expected, PageRank sculpting moves beyond convention to strategically direct value. Each internal link is a channel, transferring microunits of authority. Effective practitioners employ tools to visualize internal PageRank, revealing orphan pages, those stranded without links, and bottlenecks, high-value but underlinked pages. The imperative is to funnel the most equity toward money pages, e.g., top-selling products or lead conversion endpoints, rather than default administrative areas like policy or about pages. Maintenance of internal authority distribution is ongoing, requiring continual attention as the content ecosystem shifts. Semantic siloing raises the function of architecture into the semantic domain. Organizing related content into thematic groupings or silos with precise internal linking sends powerful signals of expertise to search engines. A classic model clusters everything about running shoes into a tightly woven web, richly interlinking category and detail pages, while content about unrelated products, like camping gear, remains largely separated. This creates a topical mode, enhancing perceived depth while preventing dilution of expertise, core to attaining and retaining topical authority in key verticals. Scalable linking systems become compulsory at true enterprise scale. Manual curation of links breaks down beyond a few thousand URLs. Instead, rely on systemic automations. Breadcrumbs serve as persistent hierarchical signposts, clarifying both to users and bots the relationship between the current page and authority-dense categories. Cross-linking modules, often algorithmically driven, surface contextually relevant connections, related products, people also read, or top cities, effectively circulating link equity to less accessible content. Adaptive sidebars, which dynamically adjust their links based on the user's current silo, strengthen context and reinforce the topical groupings vital for search echoing. Effective site architecture and internal links are more than technical underpinnings. They're strategic levers. They amplify the value of all other SEO investments, content, backlinks, user experience, by creating a foundation that is optimized for both discovery and authority distribution. For those engineering digital properties at scale, mastering these systems is not optional. It is the prerequisite for commanding digital market share.